So my name is Pauline O'Shea and I am a heart patient and an Advocacy Campaign Manager with the Irish Heart Foundation. My condition appeared literally out of the blue. What I had was a condition called SCAD, spontaneous coronary artery dissection. Nobody knew that's what I had, and so when I went to hospital I was misdiagnosed, and that went on for about a week. In the interim I had 3 heart attacks, I had a cardiac arrest, I had to have resuscitation twice and be brought to the Mater Hospital for emergency open heart surgery. I was told I had the heart of a 70-year-old and I was 38 at the time. So the years that followed my diagnosis were, apart from the fear of actually dying, which was quite significant, there were many hurdles to get over to try and live what was referred to as the normal life, or that attempt to get back to normal. Medical therapies are great for the medical condition, but a patient needs a much wider spectrum of what I would say is life medicine. And certainly the Irish Heart Foundation, through the volunteering work and the connections it gave me and the support groups it gave me, provided a lot of that life medicine. So after a number of years volunteering with the Irish Heart Foundation, a position became available to work as an Advocacy Campaign Manager, and I applied for the role and got it. And when I did, one of the priorities I had was to introduce a program of training and support that would elevate patients, heart and stroke patients. So the program is delivered online and it's free and it's available to everyone. And the key elements of it are communications training, digital advocacy training, training in the area of lobbying, decision makers and politicians. We also look at how to develop your own networks in your own communities and how to work together as a team with other advocates around Ireland, as well as with the ongoing guidance and support of the Irish Heart Foundation.
I'm Michael and I'm from Cavan and I live with heart failure and I'm now a patient champion. I believe that not everybody is able to advocate for themselves, so I think having a group of people who are available nationally who can actually advocate for a large group of people with heart and stroke problems is really essential. I certainly would recommend others to join the program and get involved. I believe that the whole experience, can benefit you personally, but also you can give a lot more to other people who haven't got a voice.
I am Megan O'Brien. I am living in Dingle, Ireland. I'm originally from Boston, Massachusetts, and I'm a patient champion for the Irish Heart Foundation. I've really enjoyed getting to connect with other survivors with all different types of conditions. I've really enjoyed learning more about the Irish Heart Foundation and all of the work that's done here. And also learning about how we can be a part of that and how we can be a part of making real change. It's been really helpful to me to get that formal training to just gain more confidence so that, I can take on those different opportunities. So I absolutely recommend joining.
We're often asked why we've developed the Patient Champions program here at the Irish Heart Foundation, and the answer is simple. It attempts to redress the imbalance that exists in healthcare for patients, and at the same time it empowers them and helps them to use their skills and advanced skills post-diagnosis. But also from an organisation perspective, it is very valuable to have patients in the room advocating the case with the organisation. If you're interested in finding out more about the Irish Heart Foundation Patient Champions programme, please visit irishheart.ie/patient champions.